Trouble with Children, According to Dog, by Katie Weaver and Kanner Solu. The food is satisfactory, the walks are not too short, the house is mostly cozy, and my bed has back support. This life of mine is relatively lavish, I suppose. But something has me troubled that I really must disclose. Families are overrated. Wait, let me explain. The grown-ups are okay, I guess, but children? They're insane. Belonging to a human herd is every doggy's dream. Yeah, possibly if you enjoy the way small humans scream. Their shrieks are horrifying. Why on earth are they so loud? My barking is forbidden, but their yelling is allowed? They squeeze me tightly till my eyeballs feel like they'll pop out. One thing I know for certain is those children must work out. Then, on my back, they straddle me like I'm a tiny horse. I panic and shake them off, which they don't like, of course. One time, they kicked my scrumptious meal, which splattered on the wall. That made me really cranky. I did not like that at all. And many times I've found their dirty toys inside my bowl. It's obvious these little humans have no self-control. And once those pesky troublemakers made me wear a dress, a pink one with blue polka dots. That dress did not impress. They even added shiny clips, like 20, in my fur. In my opinion, incidents like this should not occur. Speaking of my fur, those kids just love to yank and pull. The youngest loves to grip and tug till both her hands are full. I'm lucky that I don't resemble funny hairless cats. I know what you are thinking. Yes, those felines look like rats. Oh man, the children saw me, and they're headed right this way. I don't think I can take this torture even one more day. Uh-oh! Okay, so I may have judged unfairly. They're less dreadful than I said. It turns out I'm a sucker for a good scratch on the head. All right, I'm just a softie, but I'm really not to blame. The youngest is the cutest when she sweetly says my name. Their cuddles can be tolerable, even kind of sweet. And boy, it feels so special every time I get a treat. Their belly rubs are magical. The kids, they know their stuff. Those little moments make up for the times they get too rough. Now snuggled tightly in their bed, I'm thankful for today. Yeah, sure, I could get used to this. I'll let the children stay.